One thing that often gets overlooked is your engine bay. And throughout the winter, my engine bay got pretty dirty. So today, let's try to fix that by cleaning it up a little bit.
While it's not entirely necessary to keep your engine bay clean, it does add to the overall look and makes it that much more desirable to work under the hood. My method for cleaning my engine bay is relatively simple, but very effective for getting the results I desire. Some tools I use include a variety of detail brushes, wheel brushes, and a bottle of degreaser mixed together with some dish soap and water, plus plenty of microfiber towels. I start off by removing the battery to help prevent the possibility of any electrical damage and also to free up a bit more space for me to clean around. Then I do a simple dusting of the engine bay with a vacuum and a detail brush to suck up any loose dirt and debris. Switching the vacuum to the blower setting will allow me to blow away debris in areas that are too hard to reach. And after a quick dust, this engine bay is already looking much better than when we started, but we still have a long way to go to get anywhere near that showroom shine. When I really want to achieve a deeper clean, removing pieces like the air inlet duct, grill guard, and the fender molding will allow us to gain access to even more areas, as well as give a more thorough cleaning to these pieces. For better efficiency and to avoid having to re-clean sections multiple times, I like to wash underneath the inside of the hood first with a sponge and my soapy water mixture, as some of the dirt from the hood may drip down onto the rest of our engine bay. Once this section has been cleaned with soap and water, I can grab a microfiber towel to dry it off. As you can see, this rubber trim piece of the hood scoop has some dried up carnauba wax that is creating a bit of an eyesore. But by using some of this trim clean wax and oil remover, I can spend some extra time scrubbing away at these stains. And now that those stains are mostly removed, it's time to really begin tackling this dirty engine bay. The rest of the process is pretty much just rinse and repeat. Spray down a section, use detail brushes to clean the surface, and finish drying with a microfiber towel, going one small section at a time. And before we forget, let's also clean up the pieces we took out the engine bay. Next, we just have to reinstall all of these parts. Alright, now that everything is looking much cleaner, we could call this job finished, but to take it to the next level, I'll be using a water-based engine dressing to add some extra shine and protection. With a fresh microfiber towel, I'll apply a layer of this engine dressing on every inch I can reach in the engine bay. While I'm pretty satisfied with these results, this metal plate next to the red intake manifold still has some stains and oxidation, which I think throws off the overall look a bit. Luckily, I have a bottle of this light metal polish that I can use to buff out some of the stains. And check out this engine bay now. Although it's not as perfect as a showroom shine, compared to what we started with, I say the result of this cleaning has been very successful and something Mr. Clean himself would be proud of. If you enjoy a bit of spring cleaning, why not check out a couple of my other videos and consider subscribing for more automotive content.